Hi everyone, welcome to LearnFrench channel. In today's video, we're going to learn the most used sentences in French. So with me, you're going to learn how to communicate in French. You're going to learn French and you will be fluent like a native. So let's hit the road. Let's start with good morning. Good morning is bonjour. Bonjour. It's not bonjour, it's bonjour. 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 Good evening. Bon soir. Soir is evening. Good is bon. Then we say bonsoir. Bonsoir. Hi. When you see someone and you just want to say hi, salut. It's not salute, it's salut. 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 Again, you can use it again for bye. When you're still trying to say to someone bye, you can just say salut. 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 Now we're moving to the serious sentence. How are you? How are you? It's very famous. It's ça va. It's not ça va. It's ça va. Ça va? I'm good. Ça va bien. Ça va bien. Ça va bien. Have you seen that sweet C? That little C? Ça va bien. Here we go. Thank you. Merci. It's not merci, it's merci. 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 Then when you ask about something, you say please. It's s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. Or make it easier to say s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. Repeat with me. S'il te plaît. That's nice. Say, which means that's nice, is gentil. Gentil. C'est gentil. Today is au jour. It's not au jour, it's aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui. Tomorrow is demain. 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 Tomorrow is demain. Yesterday, hier. It's very hard, but hier. If you're trying to read it, it's hard, but pronounce it hier. Next week. Week is la semaine. Next is prochaine. Then when you say it, you say la semaine prochaine. La semaine prochaine. La semaine prochaine. Last week. Week again is la semaine. Last is dernière. Let's put everything together. La semaine dernière. La semaine dernière. La semaine dernière. Very good. La semaine dernière. Now is maintenant. 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 Or easily maintenant. Maintenant. With me. Maintenant. Perfect.